Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to determine what type of Windows license you have. So whether it's a retail, OEM, or volume license key. So Windows Retail License or called Fallback product refers to the license that you acquire when purchasing a copy of Windows 10 or Windows 11 from Microsoft Store or an authorized retailer. While Windows OEM license is short for Original Equipment Manufacturer, when original equipment manufacturer produce computers, they always pre-install OEM Windows before selling them. And the other one, the Windows Volume License, is designed for a large business, educations, and government scenario and allows organizations to use one master product key to activate multiple computers without having to enter a different key for each computer. So yan po yung ibig sabihin ng tatlong license key. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So dito sa search for app, so either command prompt or PowerShell yung gagamitin natin ay okay lang. So ang gagamitin natin ay yung command prompt. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, so may dalawang command key dito na pwede natin i-enter. So either slmgr space /dli or slmgr space /dlb. So ang i-enter natin una dito ay yung command key na slmgr space /dli and press mo lang yung enter. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung Windows Script Host. So, name of Windows, core editions, descriptions. Yung operating system natin, ibig sabihin ay nakategorize siya sa OEM DM channel. Ito yung pre-install OEM Windows before selling them. Okay, so partial product key, nandito siya, and then yung license status natin ay naka-license po siya. So, since binili natin itong ating computer or laptop, ay license po siya ng OEM. Alright, so in the other command key na kailangan natin i-enter, ay type mo lang dito yung slmgr space /dlb and press mo lang yung enter. And ito naman yung Windows Script Host, ito yung Software Licensing Service Versions. So makikita mo lahat dito yung complete information details ng ating operating system, yung ating license key, and other information dito na product key, extended applications, yung use license URL, at nandito lahat. Alright? Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to check if Windows 10 or Windows 11 license is retail, OEM, or volume. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.